How to install laminate flooring with a 5G drop lock system. Tools that you will need include spacers, rubber mallet, tape measure, 6-foot level, and a saw. Ensure the subfloor is free of dust and debris. The subfloor should be level. There should be no deviations greater than 1/8 of an inch over 6 feet. Allow at least 48 hours for the material to acclimate to the room it will be installed in. Unroll underlaying a couple of rows at a time. Place 3/8 of an inch to 1/2 inch spacers between the short and long side of the planks and the wall. When you reach the end of a row, measure and mark the last plank. Then use a saw to cut the plank. Ensure proper spacing is maintained when finishing a row. You can use the remainder of the cut plank to begin your next row. To properly install planks, tilt and push the new plank's long side tongue into the long side groove of the previous row's plank. When lowered, push on the short end joint, and the plank should click into place. The plank should lay flat to the floor. Continue laying remaining planks in this manner. When installing, maintain joint offset of at least 8 inches. Once complete, remove the spacers and install baseboards to the walls. For written instructions or for any questions, please visit kairosflooring.com.